Hello everyone. Have you been invited to a baby shower and need an idea for a quick gift? Well, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to do a blanket stitch on your serger. This is the perfect finish for blankets or any project that needs a quick hand-finished look. Let's start by setting up the serger. You will need a serger that has the capability to do a 2-thread flatlock stitch. Most sergers are able to do this, so check your manual to set up your machine. A bold thread will have the best effect for this stitch, so I'll be using a 12-weight variegated cotton called Fruity in the needle. This thread has a low lint finish, so the stitches will look clean and beautiful when it stitches out. You'll need a 90-14 top stitch needle in the serger to accommodate the heavier thread. In the loopers, I'm going to use this medium 50-weight cotton thread called Confetti in a color that matches the blanket. The finer weight works well with the heavier Fruity thread. For my blanket, I'll be using cotton flannel, which is warm and soft to the touch. You can choose to do a single layer, a double layer, or a double layer with batting in the middle, as I will show today. Be aware to follow fire safety regulations when choosing fabric for babies. Cut a length of water-soluble stabilizer long enough to go around the edge of your blanket, with a width of about 3 inches. You can use pieces, so you do not need one continuous length. Set up the serger to do a 2-thread flatlock stitch with a wide cutting width. Place a strip of the wash-away stabilizer along the edge of the blanket on the right side of your fabric. The stabilizer will lay on top of your project. Now, stitch along the edge of the fabric. Continue around the circumference of your blanket, making sure the knife of the serger is cutting off a small strip along the edge as you sew. When you have finished going around all 4 edges, remove your work from the serger, leaving a tail to finish off. Pull firmly on the wash-away stabilizer all the way around to pull the stitches to the back and leave a blanket stitch on the front. Trim the stabilizer close to your stitching, taking care not to cut into your serger threads. Rinsing the finished product will remove the remaining water-soluble stabilizer. Weave the threads into your edging using a large eye or tapestry needle. A drop of fray check will prevent them from unraveling later. If your blanket is rectangular, you will go off the edge at each corner. If you make the corners of your project a slow curve, you will not need to finish loose ends at each corner. In this case, begin your stitching line along one edge, not on a corner. When you come to the end, you will need to overlap your starting stitches, then slowly edge your way off the fabric, trying not to create a point. You will only have one set of loose threads to weave in this case. And that's all there is to it. In minutes, you will have a nicely finished blanket. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.